I'm bored. It is snowing outside. Let's play a game. A game in Microsoft Project. Who said learning is boring? I have a game of Microsoft Project in my pocket for you. Yes, if you are a project controller and work with Microsoft Project and a nerd of it, let's throw your hat into the ring. In this Microsoft project, you see a primary and detail windows are open. I want you to toggle between panes without touching the mouse. Okay, now I put mouse away and come back to the Microsoft project. Here, the green color in name shows that the primary pane is active. Now, if I want to switch to the panes without touching the mouse, press on F6. Yes, press on F6 on the keyboard. Now, the detailed window is active because you see the task form is written in green color. Is it finished? No, P6 can toggle 2 more steps. If I press it once again, the status bar is active. And if press it again, the keyboard shortcuts on the ribbon is displayed. This was a quick shortcut game in Microsoft Project. If you name yourself a worm of Microsoft Project, you should have known F6 is the shortcut of switching between panes, right?